Hello, this is Dr. Martinez, and I want to welcome you to our office and thank you for letting us be a part of your health care. In just a few minutes, we're going to sit down with you and talk about your health problems and see if chiropractic is what you need for your total health. But before we meet, I think it's important to share with you some information about what we do and what you can expect.
The purpose of this short video is to introduce you to the most successful form of healthcare available today for musculoskeletal problems. It's natural healthcare that allows the body to heal itself. This natural healthcare is called chiropractic, and the reason we want you to watch these few minutes of education is because many of our new patients really don't know much about it. Why? No exposure. It isn't like you see it on billboards everywhere you drive, or on the cover of popular nationwide magazines, or on the front page of the newspaper. You can turn on your TV and watch shows like ER, where you learn about how the medical doctors work, but nothing called DC, where you learn how the chiropractic profession works. So let's begin with some basic information about chiropractic care.
Is chiropractic something new?
No. As a matter of fact, it's over 100 years old, and today there's over 60,000 doctors of chiropractic in the United States alone. In fact, chiropractic is the second largest primary healthcare provider in the Western world. So relax. You're not coming to an experimental form of healthcare.
Does chiropractic work?
Well, don't take any one person's opinion. Simply take a look at this report from WebMD on a huge study of research data over a 4-year period taken from nearly 2 million patients. 700,000 patients were on a healthcare plan that included chiropractic care, compared to 1 million patients on a healthcare plan that did not include chiropractic care. After following 1.7 million patients for 4 years, here's what they found about those 700,000 who had chiropractic care. Chiropractic cut the cost of treating back pain by 28% compared to those who did not have chiropractic care. Back surgeries were reduced by a whopping 32%. That's 1 in every 3 people. 1/3 less surgeries, and amazingly enough, this also reduced hospitalization by 41%. By choosing chiropractic care, you're giving the body a chance to heal itself through natural means before resorting to the use of drugs or surgery. It's a natural choice.
Does chiropractic hurt?
The final statistic in this 4-year study is probably the most important one to answer that question. This study, reported on WebMD, found the satisfaction rate with chiropractic to be 95%. You can't find any type of healthcare with a higher satisfaction rate than that. And it sure wouldn't be true if it were painful or ineffective. If you want care that has proven itself to be safe and effective, you're in the right place at the right time.
What causes back pain?
When you stop and think about it, it's easy to understand that the activities you do during even a normal day puts a lot of stress, strain, wear and tear on your spine. If you allow this to go untreated for an extended period of time, you'll many times experience a misalignment of the spine and the joints not moving properly. This results in pressure and irritation being placed upon your nerves in those misaligned areas, causing pain. It can even cause problems for the organs or body parts where those nerves are connected. You may have heard this referred to as a pinched nerve because that describes what is happening, but the problems you're experiencing are actually called subluxations.
What is the solution?
Many people start taking painkillers like aspirin or Tylenol or Advil, which masks the pain but does not move the vertebrae back to the proper position. In other words, you still have the problem. The solution is to gradually move your spine back to its proper alignment and then keep it there. This requires chiropractic adjustments. The adjustment gently moves the vertebrae back into their proper position, taking the pressure off of the nerves, reducing inflammation, and also restoring mobility to the spine. A chiropractor is the only physician trained and licensed to treat you with this adjustment.
Am I going to have this problem the rest of my life?
Once you've been treated and reached a stabilized condition, you go right back into an active lifestyle, which of course can put you right back in the same subluxated condition. Back pain becomes a problem you think you have to live with for the rest of your life. What should you do? Maintain your spine like you do your teeth. After all, if you never maintained your teeth, you can be sure they'd fall out. If you never maintain your spine, you can be sure it will go out. we will recommend a program for you that will not only get you back to health, but also keep you there. So you've made a good decision by coming in today. We want to help you enjoy complete health and wellness for the rest of your life, and we're going to do it naturally with chiropractic care. Let's get started.